Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In case you can't tell, I now have a backdrop. Normally, if you look at all my other videos, I was just kind of filming in front of my bedroom. So like all of my bedroom was behind me. Basically, I wanted to make a little kind of studio area in my room, but my room is very small. So it was definitely a challenge. First of all, I wanted to get my camera away from the window because before I got my lighting for Christmas, if you watched my like Christmas video, I got lights for Christmas. And before then, I was just using the natural sunlight to film my videos. And then every like sound outside and all the wind and everything really picks up on the camera microphone because it's right in front of the window. So I wanted to get away from that and avoid that in future videos. So I decided to completely reorganize my room, and then I built these backdrops. I posted a poll on my Instagram asking you guys if you wanted to see how I film my videos and what my setup looks like, and most of you said yes. So that's what this video is today. I'm going to show you how I made the backdrops, my kind of setup, and how everything is right now. I'm going to talk about my lighting. I'm going to talk about my camera. Those are questions I get asked a lot, and I'm going to give you guys all of the information that I have on how I make my videos. Most of this video is going, other than the intro and the outro, are going to be filmed like vlog style. So I apologize for the kind of shaky camera work. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay, so basically coming into my room, here is my studio area. I have the two soft boxes here and here, and the ring light, which I got for Christmas off of Amazon, and those will be linked down below if I can find them. And then I picked up this little lamp from IKEA, which I will link down below. I actually saw this exact lamp in a YouTuber's video. Her name's Evelina Forcell, and it just kind of adds the gradient to the background, which looks really nice. For my backdrops, so you can see it's just like a hemmed, this is like a stretchy piece of fabric that I got on clearance at Fabricland. And at the top here, this is just a like curtain rod from IKEA, and I have 3 slots on there so I can put up to 3 backdrops up at once. Right now I have 2. I bought 2 more backdrops today that I'm going to sew and hang up. So I have 4 backdrops to choose from, and then the kind of white-ish cream wall in the background. So that's most of what I use for filming, and this is my backdrops, which I am very happy with. There's like a seam here, but I don't know if that shows up in the camera or in the videos. And I just pulled them with little pins to keep them tight. And yeah, so I just hemmed the top here, kind of like a curtain, so I can just slide the poles on and I can move these. To create my backdrops, I folded one end of the fabric over and pinned it approximately every 6 inches. I used a small zigzag stitch to sew the hem to create a tube at the top so I can slide it onto the curtain rod. Okay, so now I'm just filming with my iPhone so you guys can kind of see my camera. So it hooks up here in the ring light, and this camera is a Nikon Coolpix A900. So it's like a specific like vlogging camera. You can see at the top there it has like the screen that flips up. So there we go. I can see what I'm filming, and I picked that up at Henry's. So I will try to link everything down below. That's how I film my videos, and then I will show you how I edit them. So the program I use to edit is called Filmora, and as you can see here, I have all of my intros and outros already saved into the program. So now I'm just inputting the YouTube video I'm editing now, so you guys can see. So here I'm just editing the video that you guys are currently watching, just so I can kind of show you how I do it. And then at the end, I will import my outro little video that I created. And I created all of my intros and outros using Filmora and Photoshop. when I started filming, like I said, I was using the natural sunlight and I was filming on my iPad. And then I bought the vlogging camera like fairly quickly because I just couldn't stand the iPad. It was kind of like at a bad angle, and no matter what I did, it was just a pain in the butt to use and like transferring the videos and everything. So I bought the camera that I'm using now, and that has made my life so much easier. I'm fine like with my old videos. I don't think the quality is like bad, but obviously I put the money into getting a decent camera. This camera films in 4K, so I think all my videos are up and you can watch them in 4K if you feel the need to. But this was like the cheapest camera I could find, and it had really good reviews, and it's specifically meant for vlogging. Oh yes, and my lighting. So I filmed with natural lighting, and now I upgraded with this. What I asked for Christmas last year was lighting, so I can film videos like now when the sun's down. So I don't remember the name of the lights off the top of my head, but like I said, everything will be linked down below that I used. So that's basically it, guys. Now I'm just rambling. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button before you leave, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.